Hello, dance friends. This video is an instructional video for the line dance called Bump and Grind. It was written by Thompson, Szymanski, and Jamie Marshall. This is an improver level line dance, 48 counts and 2 walls, 2 directions. The music is also called Bump and Grind by Ronnie Beard. Notice that the and is not an and, it's a letter N. My name is Brenda Chateau, and I'm going to be your instructor today. Let's get started. I'm going to turn my back to you so you can follow along with me. Keeping in mind this is a video. If I don't, cover something as slowly as you would like, you can always hit that rewind button. Starting with the weight in our left foot. First section, we're going to bump our hips to the right, touch your toe to the right, and bump 1, 2, and then again for 3, 4. Follow that with a grapevine to the right. Stepping right 5, 6, side 7, touch 8. Then section 2, with that left foot, touch out to the side. You're going to circle your hips to the left and back around. That's 2 counts. You're going to go 1, 2, and you're going to do it again for 3, 4, followed by a grapevine quarter turning to our left. Left side 5, behind 6, quarter turn 7, touch 8. Let's do sections 1 and 2 together without stopping. 5, 6, 7, bump it, 1, 2, 3, 4, grapevine, 6, 7, 8, circle, 2, 3, grapevine, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, section 3. So this dance is called Bump and Grind. We are gonna bump, bump, bump on section 3. With weight on your left foot, you're gonna touch the right foot forward into the diagonal slightly. You're gonna bump your hips forward to the right foot for 1 and 2, and then go back to the left foot, 3 and 4. Move that right foot behind you into the right diagonal behind you. Bump it 5 and 6, and then 7 and 8. Section 4, we're going to do 4 quarter turning pivots. So right now we are facing the 9 o'clock wall. Set your GPS to 9 o'clock. We're going to come back to this wall. Right foot steps forward, ball of the right foot for 1. Pivot a quarter turn, transferring weight to the left foot 2. Repeat that. Step forward, ball of the right 3, quarter turn 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On those quarter pivots, you may add a hip circle. The choreographers have this on the step sheet and is described very nicely. So as you step forward on the right ball of the right foot, you're going to circle your hips back and around and then transfer to the left. Forward, hips go back and around, transfer to the left. That's 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do the hip bumps as well as the pivot quarter turns. You can add the hip circles if you'd like. 5, 6, 7, 8, bump 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, pivots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Next section, we're going to do a Lindy step, Lindy shuffle. We're going to transfer our weight to the right foot in a little shuffle step, triple step. You're going to go right, left, right for 1 and 2. And you're going to rock back on the left foot for 3, 4. Repeat that on the left side. We're going to go 5 and 6, left, right, left. Rock 7, 8. The last section is a kickball step and 2 kickball steps and a pivot. So with weight on your left foot, you're going to kick the right foot forward, kick 1, then do a ball step for and 2, kick 3 and 4. Step right foot forward on 5, hold for count 6. Pivot over the left shoulder to your left foot, 7, and then relax the right foot in as you hold for 8. And that is the last 2 sections of the dance. Those are the last 2 sections. Let's do those last 2 sections together, starting with our triple step to the right. Ready, and triple 1 and 2, 3, 4, triple 5 and 6, rock 7, kick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, forward 5, hold 6, quarter 7, 8. If you'd like to make that ending a little bit more interesting, the choreographers have a suggestion for you on the step sheet. As you step forward on 5, you're going to take your hands in fists and you're going to pull them in towards your hip. Maybe you see a new belt on the counter. You're like, hey, how would that look on me? Right? That's your 5. And then go back to both feet on 6. And you're going to circle your hips to the back and around to the left on 7, 8. That will look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Instead of just 5, 6, 7, 8. Your choice. You get to decide which one you'd like to do. Maybe you want to do both of them at different times in the music. All right, how about we go back to the beginning of the dance and do the entire thing all the way through. Weight starts on your left foot with our bumps on the right. 5, 6, ready, go, bump. 1, 2, 3, grapevine. 5, 6, 7, 8, circle. 2, 3, grapevine. 5, 6, 7, bump it. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. To the right with a triple step. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now kickball step. 1 and 2, 3 and ending. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Go back and review this dance as often as you like to get comfortable with it. And then I hope you will go down into the description and look for a link of me dancing it to the song, and maybe you'll dance it with me, I hope. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Brenda Chateau, and I hope to see you on the dance floor sometime soon.